Hey guys, so this is Freddie, but I like to call him Frederick. Why, I don't know. He just looks like a Frederick to me. Anyways, he is some type of a doodle, and today he is getting his first big boy haircut. I have groomed him, I think, twice before, and he's only ever gotten a tidy up, but today he's going to get his full cut. So stay tuned because he's gonna look totally different when he's done. He's super nervous. He is still young and he's still getting used to being groomed. So keep that in mind. This is going to be a new experience for him today to get the clipper on him. So we'll see how he deals with that. But yeah, stay tuned till the end. Okay, I know you're stressed, buddy. I know, it's okay. It's okay. You're okay. Good boy. Good boy. So I am bathing him today in clarifying shampoo. And then I'm going to condition him before I rinse him down. We are going to be shaving off quite a bit of his hair today. And I know you all are going to ask me, why do you bathe all of that hair if you're just going to shave it off? And there is a reason for it. Actually, there's a couple of reasons for it. So you're always going to get a better haircut on clean hair versus dirty hair. So that's number one. And number two, dirty hair can damage your blades. So when we clean it, it's easier on our blades. I will shave a dog down before a bath if they are extremely thick and will take a very long time to dry, or if they're matted, because it's really hard to clean a dog when they're matted, depending on the severity of their mats. But yeah, there are circumstances where they do get shaved first. Or for example, if there's an animal that I know gets very, very stressed over the dryer, then I would shave them before the bath. That way they don't have to endure all that time under the dryer. Or even dogs that get really stressed out about the bath as well. Freddie here is stressed, but not particularly about the bath in general, just about grooming in general. He has only been groomed a few times, so he's still getting used to the process, although he is a really good dog, despite the fact that he's only been groomed a few times. No, don't shake, don't do it. You're gonna get the cameras wet. Okay. Now dogs get nervous about having their face washed. So I like to put the diluted shampoo directly on their head and wash it that way, and then rinse it, rather than wetting the head first, and I'll tell you why. If I rinse his head first, what's gonna happen is he's gonna know what's coming next. He's gonna know that I'm touching his head a lot, and he's already gonna be scared because that's a lot of water going on his face at one time. So if I scrub it first with diluted shampoo and then rinse it, well then he only has to endure the large stream of water once. So silly me thought that he wasn't going to shed that much and I wouldn't have to wear my bee net, but I definitely should have because there's hair all over my eyes, but that was my mistake. So do you guys see how matted he is here? And he did not come in like that. All of this matting actually happened because of the dryer. Now, since I am shaving him today, I don't care that he has all of this matting because I'm going to shave it off. But if I were to be leaving him long, then what I would have done is I would have stood farther back with the dryer and not got too close to the skin. That's the reason why it got all matted. And I would have used a brush at the same time. So I would have prevented all of this if I was keeping his coat long. But since we're shaving it, getting closer to the skin will dry him a lot quicker, and it doesn't really matter that he has some mats. So I am going to shave him in a 3 3/4 today. Hopefully he behaves. Now I don't know if you guys can see this, but his hair is really dark, but then his under hair is really light. So he's actually going to be a whole different color when he's done. And that's the reason why I told the owners not to shave him in the beginning for quite some time, because I really didn't know what was going to happen with his hair. Was it going to continue to grow? Was it going to stop growing? But as you see, it's grown quite a bit and his legs haven't been growing, so we got to even them out. Okay, you ready, buddy? It's a clipper. You'll be okay. Good boy. I know, you're so nervous. So nervous. Good boy. Okay. I'm going to do my best not to cause lines in his coat. He does have an odd type of coat, so hopefully I can prevent the lines or blend them as much as possible when I'm finished. Your owners aren't even going to recognize you when I'm done with you. I know, you're being really good. You're okay. Let me see. See? I made a mistake there. I dug with the clipper a little bit too hard, and now I left some lines that are going to be hard to blend in. Well, that's an odd looking dew claw. You're being really good. It's okay, stay, buddy. Good boy. So he's smart. As soon as he realizes that what I'm doing is not going to hurt him, he calms down and lets me do it. So that's great. That's a dog that's really easy to work with. Okay, now I'm just going to trim up some of his edging. That's all. Had a difficult time trying to grasp this hair inside the clipper. So a lot of people ask in my videos, why are the dogs panting so much? They must be hot, the blow dryers must be hot. So dogs don't just pant when they're hot. They also pant when they're nervous. He is very nervous about this whole groom, so that's why he's panting so much. It has nothing to do with him being hot. He's definitely not hot. It's not hot in here today. And the blow dryers, they blow out warm air, but not hot air. And I'm just blending some of the areas that look like they're a little bit choppy from the clipper. So he is technically a double-coated dog, but because he is a doodle, he has hair that sheds mixed in with hair that doesn't shed. So it makes his coat really, one, difficult to work with, but two, difficult to know what the right thing is to do with it because he has two different coat types. So when you shave double-coated dogs, it can be a challenge to make them even because their coat really isn't designed to be shaved, so it sometimes looks a little bit choppy. But he has a mix of both hairs, so it's hard to say what the right thing is to do for him, but we decided on shaving because the owners really didn't love all of that hair, and it was really uneven. His legs were short, his body was long. He just looked very funny. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn him and just do the same thing on the other side. Nope. No, don't move. Moving is a bad idea right now. Really trying to hide yourself from me, eh, buddy? Very good boy. Escape. No, stay. Good boy. Good boy. I'm just gonna do a quick brush all over him because he's got lots of loose hairs. He is all finished. Looking really, really cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this really incredible transformation. He looks really cute and he was a really good dog, and he says he would like to be out of here now.